Hello, honey. I've got a problem. I like to wear this shirt tonight, but it's dirty. Could you please wash it?
Well, it will take at least 30 minutes, I think. Well, in 30 minutes we can do a lot of things.
Okay.
Like dancing, for example?
This is much the better idea that you had, I think.
I think too.
Start from the beginning. Wall number 1. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2.
Why the hell it means so much to me? This is what